Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to recover, restore the delete photos and video in Samsung Galaxy S26. So first of all, open gallery. After opening the gallery, tap on menu, click on recycle bin, and from here you will see delete photo and videos. And if you want to recover this video, just tap on video, click on restore. After click on restore, this video will be added from your phone gallery. And if you want to restore all photo or video, just simply tap on select and tap on all and tap on restore all. After tap on restore all video or photo will be restored from your phone. This is how you can recover, restore the delete photos or videos in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.